everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have the first unboxing of 2024. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, this is a very exciting unboxing, you guys. I am so excited. So this bag we actually got when we got back to America. So we didn't get it in Italy, but we just got it the other day. This is actually my mom's bag. She bought this the other day, but I still wanted to do an unboxing because it's so beautiful and I had no idea this style even existed. So let's get started. She was at the store in Nashville, so of course they gave her the really pretty regular bag, but then they also gave her the beautiful holiday packaging. I love the holiday packaging. This is the same packaging that I got in Italy when I got my Pochette Matisse East-West. So I'm so glad that they still gave her the holiday packaging even though she bought it in, well, the end of January. So yeah, and then there's actually a story regarding this bag, and I'll tell you that here in a little bit. I don't want to keep you waiting for too long. So we were in Italy and we tried to find this bag for my mom in Italy because she wanted to go ahead and buy it there. And we did find this bag in black and in canvas, but not in this color, and this is the color that she really wanted. We've already opened it up and checked it out. We've already played with it a little bit, so the packaging is not 100% perfect. So when she decided that she wanted to get this one, because she was going back and forth between a few bags during our Italy trip, but she knew she wanted to pick something up, we tried to find this bag in Rome, and we went to every single Louis Vuitton store, and they only had one of them. They had the black one, and she didn't want the black one, but we still took pictures and everything for reference. When we were leaving Italy to come back to America, we of course went to the Rome airport and we checked the Louis Vuitton at the Rome airport, and they had the canvas one, which the canvas one is really cool. I'm honestly really loving this bag. I really like it, and I didn't know it existed until she actually pointed it out. So maybe in the future I'll get one for myself. She didn't want the canvas one, so she just decided that she would wait and get it in Nashville, and that's what she did. And they had to order it for her, but it didn't take very long to come in. I'm just so excited for my mom because she's wanted another Louis Vuitton handbag for quite some time, and I think this one is literally perfect. Genuinely, I am obsessed. So we've got the beautiful dust jacket. From the shape, we know it's a longer situation, but leave me a comment down below telling me what you think she got, and then if you are correct, let me know as well. But can you even tell yet? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the on-the-go East-West. So if you've seen the regular on-the-go, the boxy kind of shopper tote style, that is this bag, but it's in the East-West style. So my Pochette Matisse that I got is the regular, the Pochette Matisse that you've seen before, but it's the East-West. Let me go get it. Here we go. So here is my Pochette Matisse East-West, and then her on-the-go East-West. I love the East-West style. I love how the bags can be more rectangular compared to square. And this color, she really wanted this color, and I don't know what it's called. I think it's gray or dove or something. Let me actually go to LV. Oh, it just says bicolor monogram, and this is in the leather. So it's in the empreinte leather. That's it. It comes in black, and then it also comes in the canvas. And this one, I guess, is a beigey color. It's a grayish, if you know what I mean. It's a beigey gray, and it's stunning. She likes canvas, but all of her LV handbags are canvas, and she wanted something different, and I think it matches everything. And she really wanted to have something for spring and summer, and this is absolutely spring and summer. It's so stinking cute. So if you can see, going over the bag, we've got the LV logo on the front, and then we have the little flowers, and then we have this beautiful top handle here. And then if you turn it around to the back, It's got the same pattern, and then on the bottom, she looks like this, perfectly straight. On the top, here's what the top looks like. And we've got these 2 zippers, so it's very secure when it comes to the opening. You're not gonna have any issues with like it opening by itself. You know how like the Neverfull doesn't have any type of closure to it except for that one little hook? This one has a lot of security. And here's what it looks like on the inside. It comes with 2 separate straps that I am so excited about. So it comes with a regular crossbody strap. I'll put that up here. And then it also comes with my favorite, this like beautiful braided chain strap, kind of giving Chanel classic flap vibes, if you know what I mean. But this braided chain is like my favorite. Sadly, the canvas version does not come with this braided chain, but I just absolutely love it. It's so pretty. And then here is the inside. It's got this like suede calfskin on the inside, and then you do have one kind of slip pocket in the back there. This one is made in France, of course. Oh my god, I'm so happy that she got one made in France as well. But that's it. It's just one big open compartment here. But, and I did not notice this the entire time that I was in Rome when I was looking at these bags. Did not notice this one time. And Mom noticed it, and I was like, oh my god, that's like genius. These 2 sides right here, like these 2 things, right here and right here, these are also pockets. So here's a pocket, like a little hidden pocket right here. And then here is another hidden pocket over here. You can fit so much stuff in this bag. Like it's really, really spacious. I will go through and show you what can fit in this bag, and I have a feeling it's gonna be a lot of stuff. But let me show you what it looks like with both straps. So we have this beautiful strap here first. There's only 2 D-rings on the bag, which I kind of wish there was more, just so you didn't have to put both straps on the same D-ring. But here's one right there, and then the other one is on this side. But you can literally wear this bag any way you want to. It's so versatile. You can wear a top handle, you can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody. So here's what it looks like with the chain strap. Now this strap is not adjustable, but it is removable, but then you can just put it on your shoulder. Oh, it's so cute. Or if you wanted to top handle it, you could just let the little chain strap dangle down and you have like a little accessory, kind of like the pochette métisse with the gold chain. You have this cute little accessory. So I love that. And then I think my mom loves to wear a crossbody, which this bag looks really good crossbody. It's not too bulky. It looks really like kind of flush to the body, which I love. And then the strap is leather. Now this one is of course removable and adjustable. So it's kind of like a belt situation. You can adjust it however loose or tight that you would like it. And then when you have it like this, you can wear it crossbody and it's so great. And then you can keep the braided chain on if you wanted to and just have it like this dangling down, or you can take the braided chain off and just have it as a crossbody like that with just the handles here giving you some detail. You know, if I got this bag, I would be top handling it. I love the fact that you can shoulder bag it or you can wear a crossbody, but you know, I love top handle bags. They're like some of my favorites. I know my mom would never wear a top handle because she likes to have like hands free. Unless she was like going somewhere fancy, like to a dinner or something, she would. But like I would be over here like walking around the streets of Nashville being like, oh my God, so cute, top handle. I love this. I like it in the canvas. I just wish the canvas version came with this right here, but I love this color as well. This would be my second choice. Let's go to the listing so I can tell you like the measurements and stuff regarding this bag. So the bag is 9.8 inches wide. It is 5.1 inches tall and 3.9 inches wide. So she's a pretty decently sized bag. She's not like a small bag, but she's not a big bag either. She's definitely like medium size, medium small. And then it does say that it is embossed grain cowhide leather, and then it has a microfiber lining. So it was not a suede calfskin, it's a microfiber lining. The strap drop is 13.8 inches at its shortest, and then at its longest is 20.9 inches. And then for the chain strap, the maximum strap drop is 11.8 inches. Now I want to show you what fits in this bag. I'm going to be really careful though. I have my bag that I'm currently using, and that is my Celine Ava. So let me take my stuff out of it. So starting off, here's what she looks like. And then I've got, of course, my mini pochette accessoire, and in here I have just a lip gloss. This is like a Dior lip balm, hand sanitizer, and then of course I have a little mirror, gum, and then of course I have my ibuprofen in case me or my husband or anybody gets a headache. So I always carry this with me, or I try to carry it with me if my bag will allow it. So that is the mini pochette accessoire. And of course that goes in with literally no issues whatsoever. I am gonna put my phone in here. Now I normally keep my phone in my pocket or in my hand. I don't usually ever put my phone in my bag, but for this case I am gonna put my phone in this bag because my mom might end up putting her phone in her bag. I think that she does that. I think she keeps her phone in her bag. So I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. My mom, I think, has the 14 Pro Max. And yes, that of course fits no problem. We got plenty of space left in here. And then I've got my card holder. My mom has like she had a long wallet. I don't know if she has it anymore, but that can just fit. Oh my God, this thing fits so much. So that can just fit right in front of my phone there. And then I have my AirPods, and that can just go on the side right here. And then I have this new Rare Beauty hand cream that I'm really liking. I think this is great. So I actually swapped out of my Chanel hand cream just because the egg shape is so big and it's so like hard to fit in your bags because it's just so big. So I love this little pebble shape, and that can just go right in here, no problem. And then I've just got two lip products, the Rhode lip balm and then this Fenty lip balm that can just go right on top here. And that you could probably fit a little bit more, but that is probably all I would fit in this bag. And I think that my mom would be able to fit more if she wanted to, but this zips up really nicely. And here we go. Here's how it looks with everything in it. I will say she does get a little heavy. She is a little bit heavy. It's not like horrible or anything, but once you get all of the stuff in here, she's a bit weighty. So if you are somebody that does not like heavy handbags, if you liked your bags on the light side, I mean, of course, all handbags are going to be heavier once you get all of your stuff in it, but some bags like distribute the weight better or whatever. I don't know, because this is the same amount of stuff that I put in my Celine Ava, and my Celine Ava does not feel this heavy. This feels pretty heavy. Not to say that's a bad thing. I think that it'd be fine if you had this on your shoulder or if you had it crossbody, but if you actually walked around with this in your hand for a while, it would be really heavy. I don't know how else to say it, but it is a pretty weighty handbag. And normally I don't fit my phone, so maybe my phone is like adding a little bit of extra weight. Let me take my phone out. Okay, yeah, so if I took my phone out, of course it's not as heavy. I think my phone was adding a bit of extra weight, but I think that she'll end up putting stuff in here to compensate. So I do think that it would still be relatively heavy. And of course you could fit things on these outside pockets right here. I'm not gonna do that right now just because I wanna keep the bag in really good condition. I don't want to end up hurting anything by accident. So let me take my stuff out of here. But that is my mom's new handbag, the On The Go East West. And I am just so happy for her. I'm so happy she got this. I love it so much. And let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Do you like it? Is this something that's on your wish list? But be sure to let me know your thoughts over this bag in the comments, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!